From somebody I'm a motorway. Me trato ekwa adwuma trato eba. Eto da me trato ni be 3-4 times. Aban me da ase why. Me da aban ase. To na mama na ye free ne de. Ye twa mu zin. To for girls wo mu ade. Eto da dwan person ke kan kwase asam cho because we need scar de betwa ne ade. Aban ye da ase. Ye da ase so wa maze ye kwan dam ni ye ko free wo. Nyami shout. Na mobile money ni de. Nana di nana. Nanso so man bia no ebe ye the taxes ene siesie enti ye besu agu ye yam so ye betua because ye pesa Ghana ye we are fixing the country ye pesa hanso so glass nkwanti eto no ye betua ye tua from somebody ametimo obi si me dream omo ton ade e wo kwan ne ho na buza so wan ka kire mo se ka kwan ho ne ton ade we Ghana in Nigeria, why na catcher mu seka kwan ho ene ton ade na to boot ne ton ade Ghana for no muti abrochire na omo wo hye we mu kena no abrochire hinfa ena wetimi akwa ton ade wo ka kwan ho abrochire hinfa se mi do Los Angeles na nkofo so ade wo ka kwan we ye chechiri on mind and we should be serious e kwan no ko mo ton ade in as much as me do woman me do what me show muskan, they're endangering their lives. Can't help us with it. And I may mama tia say, I buy the aba or the taxes beba. Sans a tax, any literature will mine. Tax, any literature will mine. Omo table chin kubusa home. From somebody I'm a motorway. Me trato ekwa adwuma trato eba. Eto da me trato ni be 3-4 times. Aban me da ase why. Me da aban ase. To na mama na ye free ne de. Ye twa mu zin. To for girls wo mu ade. Eto da dwan person ke kan kwase asam cho because we need scar de betwa ne ade. Aban ye da ase. Ye da ase so wa maze ye kwan dam ni ye ko free wo. Nyami shout. Na mobile money ni de. Nana di nana. Nanso so man bia no ebe ye the taxes ene siesie. Enti ye besu agu ye yam so ye betua. Because ye pesa Ghana ye we are fixing the country. Ye pesa hanso so glass nkwanti eto no ye betua. Ye tua.
Edi atemi wale na aba no business woman. Business lady. Woman with vision. Na Ghana for na nka wano nya kuru ono na mpe se wa mu kura nya kuru social media no ma we mu e wo kuru e ma no ma we mu okuru wo social media so e wo agwa se wo kuru dia na aba na ka ono nya kuru ono na mpe wate ono na mpe ka tintela e ti fa no media tem e me to sister no na wa bo press no we young lady bet wa bo press no ka tintela wo tanishini image say or ya shawo na wasi u court wa o dia yesa ka kofo de court o kedi tell yesa ka kofo send with sermons na interpol dia yesa Ghana for na o moti wana America for timi hihye marama Ghana say mo by force mo di tumutum ni obi timi wa America yesa Ghana security system etimi send message ma America for say enipa we free krom wabetre mu krom wo ka asem ye hia na Ghana court wa na Ghana no emom Ghana pa so de no ma bi agro mo ka bi na nkonfo bi yese o social media so serious mo ka bi na nkonfo bi say aji wo mu tinji mi sa same Kevin Taylor no timi di teach o mama tem the dear papa cho mama tem say cho mama if you think say ono Kevin Taylor no what you want kasama da enya odidi watem Kevin Taylor say all this. A whole president, my ex-president, you got the opportunity, audacity to sit on a TV social media platform and tell all Ghanaians say, if he thinks You are speaking for him. Then he's stupid. Oh, Ade. Bonnie by Kevin. Bonnie by Pa. I can't be tell. Now what court here do quick. Drama my papa drama my mistake. No me tina no he. Yet this or no friend for crown wedding coma. And I know also there. You can't be an okay. Because what the papa at them? What the emphasis on another crown on there? What MPP to dinner them? What the drama attempt to the whole NDC party attempt? If they think you are sitting there and you are speaking for them, would you want them? Say your baby are. Just a whole gun and the womb be a womb for be a nashe, Kevin Taylor. Messi video ya me boy, tape ya me boy. Muche Kevin Taylor. What threat you have branch away? Yes, so Kevin Taylor, Muche. What threat you have branch? Boy, a high threat or see a money to mutu or for Ghana no be a Kaisen.
Or no, could you shout no? Yes, he had a personal conversation with this young man. Nana bana mwamo ejimi omochire no. And then when the issue happened, this Kodoshadan the Tisa Bosum Nasano, he went to pick that private conversation between himself and the guy. The guy was saying, you know what, I work here. If there's any opinion anywhere, let me know. I can do 2 jobs or I can quit and take the better offer. This Kodoshadan Jimmy took that private conversation and then sent it out there. Wait, Jimmy. Subway where Jimmy no Ghana or dinam krum obian body trim to obian yanshi and what Jimmy no because yasiko you Sheldon. Where Jimmy no sa niti I saw woman say and no Jimmy no we bonuma this song is not good. No question Jesse way or Jimmy only
or for much in some Kevin Taylor say obi private issue. Sabo we know boy no a small boy. Anya private issue a social media there and a buy obia wubi ena na na ba won kwa so timbusa sa questions na na ba no won kwa so timbusa ena kojo shade ni branch here din komo no wa ka tia branch here din komo say ya Kevin Taylor so on TV da etie mo ni trimutu mutio with all due respect was on TV da tie mo branch ni trimutu one in am Ghana watch me, and she has some political. Ha! Ghana ni brother piano the video. Brother piano I respond to Kevin Taylor. Brother piano I respond to Kevin Taylor. I mean I respond because say what come papa in Japan. One no say Kennedy. I show be picture. And unti Kennedy a kunipan. By first cream Kevin Taylor. And now we see more bitrimutu. What yes your mui. Say be to na Ghana for mu refi tape we me ba chere mo. The atosu biem. Who was you be private issue? What the ababont? Ko you said in the ababont. On tiase. To din attempt say mu trimtu. Ke Japan ko hospital America a private issue and say who can tell about also a doctor. Canada Japan ko hospital America a private issue and say about who can tell her Ewa America. Also what Jimmy Middle West and respond. Dr. Bain no the private issue. Second no yalio, tanu yalio. What they report to Bra Walker didn't tell us that when what Jimmy e was social media sunti. Bekache Ghana for second e ba be ya na adwumodu. Bekach yedi Ghana for ni e o short memory apa ebimo. Yedi kan. What the babonti woni kwaku skirt. SS papa we ono so am braba akono no